Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. There's a new feature coming for Wealthsimple on the Trade app. If you log into your Trade account on the app today, you'll see the option to add your name to the waitlist for Plus. Now what you want to do, if you hit Learn More, this is going to let you know what's included in Plus. You get US dollar accounts with no US transfer fees, which is great, I think, for US stock trades. You're going to have unlimited price alerts now and instant funds up to $5,000. Snap quotes. Now snap quotes were part of the premium feature. I subscribed to that. That is a $3 charge. Now for the Plus is going to be $10 a month. Not a bad deal, I think, if you are purchasing any kind of US dollar stocks. You're going to definitely save that amount on the transfer fees. Let me know what you think of this down in the comments below. Do you have any US stocks? Have you been trading US stocks on Wealthsimple? I've kind of kept away from it just because there hasn't been the option to have a US account, well, until now. So I have signed up, joined the wait list, and we will see when they hopefully announce this. We'll hopefully get an email and be able to sign this up, let you know and show you how it works in the next video. Just a quick one today. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you aren't subscribed and you made it this far, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We're sharing my Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio and a few little Wealthsimple tips along the way and new features like this video. So it'd be great to have you follow along. Go check, see, hit that subscribe button. If you aren't subscribed, it'd be great to have you following along. That's all, everybody. See you all in the next video. Have a great day.